Hi, I'm the AI avatar of Sonny Arcot, CEO of Arcotgroup. Here's a flashback of 2023's AI news in a swift sweep. A year of technological wonders rolls back before us. Brace yourself for a rapid journey back through the AI milestones of 2023. January 2023 began with Microsoft's monumental $10 billion investment in OpenAI, a move that integrated OpenAI's tech into Microsoft's products. The same month witnessed the launch of 11 Labs Beta, revolutionizing text-to-speech. Voices became so realistic, it sparked a surge in AI-generated audio. In AI art, January introduced Instruct Pix2Pix, allowing unprecedented image editing. Imagine sunflowers turning to roses, or a snowy landscape from a clear sky. Moving on to February, Google joined the race with Bard. Despite high hopes, it fell short against OpenAI's Chat-gpt. Almost instantly, Microsoft responded with Bing Chat, powered by GPT tech, even secretly using GPT-4. AI art leaped forward with control nets, enabling custom poses and enhanced realism in image generation. Moving on to March was a whirlwind in AI advancements. GPT-4's release marked a significant leap, showcasing capabilities like transforming sketches into functional websites. Midjourney V5 stunned us with photorealistic AI images, while Adobe Firefly hinted at future integrations with creative tools. OpenAI expanded Chat-gpt with versatile plugins, revolutionizing user interactions. Runway's Gen 1 transformed video styling, and NVIDIA introduced a platform for complete text-to-video creation, even on mobile. April 2023 saw Meta stepping up in AI, unveiling Segment Anything. This tool lets you edit and move elements in images and videos with precision. Wonder Dynamics introduced a breakthrough: swap real humans with CGI in videos. Backed by Spielberg and Sheridan, it's reshaping AI video. Innovative autonomous AI chatbots like Baby AGI emerged, yet their practicality remains to be seen in the future. May began dramatically. Geoffrey Hinton, a pivotal figure in AI, left Google, citing AI's growing risks. Google countered, infusing AI into everything: Sheets, Gmail, search engines, intensifying AI's everyday presence. A significant Senate hearing urged for AI regulation, underscoring the technology's impact. OpenAI's Shape, a text-to-3D model generator, debuted, evolving into tools like Genie, transforming 3D object creation. Adobe's generative fill in Photoshop marked a game changer, empowering artists with text prompt-based image editing. June slowed down, but Apple Vision Pro's announcement hinted at generative AI features. Runway's Gen 2, a significant leap, now creates videos from text and image prompts, showcasing improved quality and creativity. From Meta's editing tools to Runway's video innovations, AI continued to revolutionize digital creativity in mid-2023. July reignited momentum in AI. Chat-gpt introduced Code Interpreter, transforming how we interact with PDFs and spreadsheets, even creating data graphs. Anthropic's rolled out Claude 2, offering a massive 100,000 token context window, elevating document summarization to new heights. Microsoft and Meta's collaboration on Llama 2 marked July's highlight, launching it for free for both research and commercial use. In AI art, Stable Diffusion XL 1.0 emerged, rivaling Midjourney V5 with its open-source flexibility and enhanced quality. August was quieter. However, Midjourney's Very Region feature stood out, allowing precise in-painting in AI-generated images. Moving to September, Chat-gpt leaped forward, now capable of listening, speaking, and even interpreting images. This breakthrough let users interact in new ways, like getting visual-based instructions or conversational audio responses. From ChatGPT's enhanced interactivity to groundbreaking strides in AI art and language models, mid to late 2023 continued to push the boundaries of AI technology. In the AI world, October 2023 was revolutionary. OpenAI's DALL-E 3, known for its precise image generation, integrated seamlessly into ChatGPT. Meanwhile, Adobe Illustrator's text-to-vector feature transformed digital art, making vectors from text prompts. November brought Elon Musk's Grok, an AI model combining real-time data analysis with a quirky personality, alongside OpenAI's GPTs and assistants, enhancing custom AI experiences. The month also spotlighted AI in video editing with Gen 2's Motion Brush and Leonardo's real-time canvas, offering real-time image updates. A whirlwind for OpenAI, Sam Altman's firing, rehiring, and board reconfigurations marked November's turmoil. AI video leaped forward, with P1.0's text-to-video, offering unprecedented quality and versatility. December saw Google's Gemini and the Mixel of Experts model redefining efficiency in AI interactions. 2023 ended, marking a year of dynamic evolution in AI technology. For more insights and updates on the fascinating world of AI, subscribe to Arcotgroup. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us as we explore the future of technology.